Monument Health Orthopedic and Specialty Hospital. I know Becky, she has been my supervisor for about 1.5 years now.
Hi, I'm Sara Swartz. I also work at Monument Health Orthopedic and Specialty Hospital. I have known Becky for probably 10 of my nursing career years. We've worked in different specialties together, dermatology, surgery, different surgeries. Now we're up at orthopedic.
My name is Burleson. I work at Monument Health Orthopedics and Specialty Hospital. I worked with Becky Rose for, 6-7 years. Now she's my supervisor up at MOSH.
My name is Solaas. I work directly under Becky. She is my manager, and I have kind of learned the supervisory role under her. She's been a great mentor. I've only worked under her for about 6 or 7 months, but I've known Becky in the capacity of a nurse for about 2 years. So we nominated Becky for the Nurse of Excellence because, first of all, she is just an amazing person, which makes an amazing nurse. She is very deserving. I've had the pleasure of working directly with her for the last 6 months, and she has approached everything with grace and tact, and above all, she just wants to make sure patients are taken care of. A lot of times in management, I feel like you get so high up that you kind of get away from patients and kind of forget that's why we're all here. She makes it possible for all of us to be able to take care of patients, and she also takes care of us.
My name is Becky Rose, and I am the nurse manager for Monument Health Orthopedics and Specialty Clinics. I've been at that facility about 2.5 years, and I have been a nurse since 2006. I'm from the hills. I grew up on a ranch in Pringle, and so I'm a rancher's daughter, and I think that's an important piece of my history. I am married to my husband, Dan. We've been married 22 years. Our oldest son is Dylan, and our youngest son, Logan, will be 18 this month. And we love to hike and be in the hills and take our Jeep out and enjoy the fresh air. We have many pets. We have 4 dogs and a cat, and I complain about all of them daily, but would be lost without any of them.
We think Becky is an excellent nurse because she does go above and beyond for not only her staff, but the patients and really anybody that she comes in contact with. If we're short-staffed on the floor, she doesn't even think twice about jumping in and helping in any clinic, anywhere. She's just great.
We think Becky is an excellent nurse because Becky leads by example. She isn't afraid to step in where she can. She's always advocating for the patients. She always puts those patients first, their safety, everything. She's an all-around great person. We have seen and heard Becky go above and beyond on her work every day. Like these guys have said, she is there for us all the time.
Just like she went and picked up a weekend shifts and inpatients, so we didn't have to spend time away from our family. I mean, that's just what she did over the weekend.
I became a nurse because I knew I was supposed to take care of people. I think as a rancher's daughter, you learn to care for things in a special way, and so it came very naturally. It kind of chose me before I chose it, I think. The most rewarding part of my job is knowing that I'm able to be an advocate, not only for my patients, but for my team. Nurses have a tough job as it is, so it's great to know that I'm able to advocate for their needs. What advice would I give? Do it. It's a great gig. It's totally worth the work. It's the best job ever.
We just want to say thank you, Becky. You are more than deserving of this award, and you have done so much for us as a staff and for your community. Thank you.
Congratulations, Becky, on being the 2021 Nurse of Excellence.
I got a phone call asking me for an interview, and I said, who is this and what do you need? I was really caught off guard.